Hello YouTube, Joe Holbrook here, the Cloud Tech Guy. I wanted to do a quick shout out and give you an update. I just released on Udemy this brand new course that is really targeted towards the pre-sales engineer sort of scenario where you're a solutions architect, systems engineer, maybe pre-sales, maybe some post-sales, really geared to understanding how the blockchain is going to affect your customers and how you could sell blockchain services or solutions if that's something that your entity that you work for actually participates in. Now, the course is called Enterprise Blockchain Bootcamp for Solutions Engineers. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at it and see if it's of interest. I will also be hosting a Hyperledeger course, and I'll have a separate 8-hour course just for Hyperledeger. I'm really excited about that as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the course. So the course has been released on Udemy. It's been approved. We're going to be covering quite a bit. It's about 7 hours of content. I'm going to be adding probably about another hour. The goal is to keep it about 8 hours. But for now, I mean, it's still pretty concise. We're going to be talking about the basics of blockchain. We're going to talk about the demand. We're going to talk about use cases. I'm going to really do a deep dive into Hyperledger, Ethereum, R3 Corda, and Quorum as well. And the goal is to give you a good idea. And I'm going to go through a competitive analysis where I compare the blockchains and discuss use cases and talk about some of the technicals like the consensus methods, for example. We'll also talk about some other exciting areas such as blockchain as a service. Now, for the pre-sales folks, we're going to really also focus on proof of concepts, responding to requests for proposals. We're going to also discuss how to handle customer objections. We'll really get into quite a wide area, and this is a course that's really focused. And again, the goal is to really get the pre-sales, customer-facing engineers as enabled as possible. And at the end of the course, I'll also touch on career paths for those that are interested in becoming a blockchain architect, looking for a new role. Maybe you want to get into to become a blockchain evangelist, whatever your role is. I'll walk you through some of the roles that are available, and then I'll talk about blockchain certifications, specifically the Certified Blockchain Solutions Architect. Now, again, the course is really sort of my most targeted course on blockchain, and I definitely encourage you to join it. It's called the Enterprise Blockchain Bootcamp for Solutions Engineers. I hope to see you there.